Holmarc's Malus Law apparatus. Model HOED-P02 is a specialized optical setup designed for the verification of Malus Law and the study of light polarization properties. This experiment involves passing a red diode laser beam through a pair of polarizers and measuring the transmitted light intensity as the angle between the polarizer and analyzer is varied. The setup includes a 500 mm black anodized aluminum optical rail for precise alignment, polarizers, and an analyzer with 360 degrees manual rotation and 2 degrees accuracy per division, and a diode laser source with 3 mW output power. The kinematic laser mount allows plus or minus 4 degrees adjustment for optimal beam direction, while the pinhole photo detector and output measurement unit ensure accurate intensity readings. This apparatus enables students and researchers to clearly observe the variation of transmitted light intensity with analyzer position, thereby experimentally verifying Malus Law and exploring fundamental concepts in optics and polarization. Holmarc's Malus Law apparatus. Model HOED-P02. Holmarc manufactures a wide range of scientific instruments and devices for manufacturing, research, and education. Visit us at www.holmarc.com and contact us at sales@holmarc.com. Order your products now.